We're going to dive right into a really exciting unboxing of Microsoft's new hardware, and then we'll follow that up with a rapid-fire tour of the latest feature updates across today's tech landscape. If you've been wondering how AI is finally moving off our screens and into our physical workspaces, well, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get into it. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll be looking at the new form factor, that desktop cube versus the wearable badge, the features of AI agents, overcoming past wearable hurdles, the privacy camera question, and finally, broader tech landscape updates. All right, we are kicking things off with Section 1, the new form factor. Now, I want you to notice this specific phrase from Microsoft Chief Executive Satya Nadella, a new form factor. This is super important because it signals a clear, absolute departure from your traditional laptop or smartphone. We are looking at hardware that is custom-built entirely around artificial intelligence features. It's a whole new ballgame. So what exactly is Project Solara? Well, it's Microsoft's pilot program. Think of it as a real-world testing ground for specialized AI hardware features. You can't just go buy these on store shelves yet. They're currently being rigorously tested by a few hundred Microsoft employees to really figure out what the future of physical AI looks like. Okay, let's move right along to Section 2, Desktop Cube versus Wearable Badge. Time for the hardware unboxing. Microsoft executive Stephen Batich recently demonstrated two very distinct physical devices, and the contrast is just brilliant. On the one hand, you have a portable desktop cube. Its primary features are a touch and voice-activated screen, and it's designed to sit stationary right on your desk. But then, on the other hand, we have a wearable access badge. You can pop it on a lanyard or a belt loop. The standout features here include a fingerprint scanner for activation, an incredibly lightweight design for when you're on the go, and notably, a built-in camera. So you have this stark contrast between a stationary, voice-commanded desk tool and a highly mobile, sensor-equipped wearable. But hey, hardware is really just glass and plastic without the software features running it, right? Let's look at Section 3, features of AI agents and their autonomous capabilities. These agents have some absolutely incredible core features. We're not just talking about fancy search engines anymore. They act as autonomous bots. They connect seamlessly to your Microsoft software and PCs. They can assist in writing software code. They perform tasks somewhat autonomously. And honestly, the biggest game changer is that they feature the ability to let you interact with your digital workspace completely outside of a standard laptop or desktop computer. They are literally your autonomous digital assistants. The crucial part here is how these physical and software features actually combine into a seamless workflow. Stephen Batich actually demonstrated this live at their developer conference, and it went like this. Step 1, he activated the wearable badge instantly using the fingerprint scanner. Step 2, he pointed the camera at the conference crowd. And Step 3, he gave a voice command, and the agent automatically took the pictures, reviewed them, and sent them right to him. That is the real power of feature integration. To truly appreciate these lightweight features, we need to understand the heavy hardware of the past. Let's head into Section 4, overcoming past wearable hurdles. Let's trace this back a bit. Over a decade ago, we saw the notorious flop of Google Glass. Then, for years, Microsoft poured massive resources into the HoloLens headset, testing it in billion-dollar US military trials. But by 2024, after ongoing testing issues, Microsoft actually stopped producing HoloLens. Now look at where we are in the present. We have the lightweight Project Solara pilots, and Google is even having a second go at smart glasses. The feature shift here is massive. The industry pivoted away from those bulky, incredibly expensive headsets towards simple, focused office badges and glasses. Now, any device with a camera brings up functional benefits, but also significant public scrutiny. Let's look at Section 5, the privacy camera question. Microsoft's stance really highlights the functional utility of the lens. According to Batich, the camera feature allows these AI agents to better understand and help take action on the environment around them. It's essentially a sensory feature. It literally allows the AI to see your workspace so it can assist you more effectively. However, we have to neutrally consider the push and pull of innovation versus privacy. How exactly do these wearable camera features balance that functionality with intense scrutiny? We've already seen pretty intense public questioning directed at devices like Meta's AI eyeglasses regarding when, why, and how they record and store video. It's a critical conversation about hardware features that every single wearable tech company is actively having to navigate right now. All right, let's pull back the lens a bit for our final section. Section 6, broader tech landscape features and global updates. We are literally seeing a massive wave of news right now, showing how AI and computing features are rapidly upgrading across so many different industries. Let's look a little closer at a few of these remarkable updates, starting with a huge leap in computing power. 1,000. That number represents how many times more reliable Microsoft's new quantum chip feature is compared to its predecessor, 1,000 times. They're actually predicting they will have a quantum computer capable of solving commercially useful problems by the end of this decade. Looking at the medical sector, the sheer data crunching feature of AI supercomputers is opening up entirely new possibilities. Researchers are now using them to compare vast amounts of data, specifically in the search for highly personalized cancer vaccines. Talk about a life-saving application of pure processing power. Over in the publishing world, a new feature is fundamentally changing the power dynamics. UK publishers are gaining a highly anticipated opt-out option, which allows them to remove their content from Google AI search results. The Competition and Markets Authority notes this feature is designed to put publishers in a much stronger position to negotiate content deals with Google. And for a quick security check, we're seeing that new chatbot features can still carry pretty big vulnerabilities. Recently, an Instagram AI chatbot was actually tricked by hackers into giving access to other users' accounts. Reports link this flaw to recent hijackings of high-profile accounts, which just proves that as software features evolve, security has to evolve just as fast. Finally, the financial features of the AI boom just continue to shatter all expectations. Anthropic, the prominent AI company behind the Claude model, is nearing a staggering $1 trillion valuation as it prepares to offer the public the chance to buy and sell shares in the US later this year. The market's appetite for these AI features is seemingly boundless. So, I want to leave you with this thought to ponder. We've looked at everything from fingerprint-activated camera badges to hyper-reliable quantum chips. As these AI features move off our screens and directly into our physical environments, how will they ultimately reshape your own daily workflow?